This video is going to look at writing an introduction for a visual arts essay. A few pointers. Write the title of an artwork in quotation marks. Don't make it personal, so take personal pronouns out of your sentence. This makes your ideas seem more authoritative. Refer back to the question with each new topic sentence without being repetitive. This might mean finding some synonyms for some of those key words so that you're saying the same thing but in a different way. Write clearly. If the marker cannot read your writing, then they can't read your great ideas and they have to stop and start all the time to try and work out your words, and that interrupts the flow of ideas. Write about specific facts, not generalizations about art. The reader doesn't want to know that art is an expression of the artist's emotions. That's already a given. They want to know about what artist, what emotions, how do they express these emotions, through what art elements, who are they expressing the emotions to, what is the expected response that they want to elicit from the audience. So the sample question that we're going to look at, artworks that are designed to provoke and shock have limited artistic value. Discuss this quote with reference to a range of artworks. In your introduction, it should have the three following components. It should restate the topic and clearly indicate the position that you're going to take. This is your thesis statement. Why is the question important? Because if the question's not important, why are we bothering to answer it? It needs to be still relevant today, so identify the main issues that are raised by the question. These main issues become your topic sentences. Let the reader know what you're going to cover in your essay in order to answer the question. So here you're going to tell the reader how you're going to answer the question. So, restate the topic and clearly indicate the position you're going to take, which is your thesis. With this particular question, it's very difficult to either agree with it fully or disagree with it fully. So I've qualified the question by focusing on this idea of artistic value. So I haven't agreed, I haven't disagreed. I'm saying that yes, art can be art that's designed to provoke and shock can have limited artistic value, but it's dependent on something, which in this case is the response by the audience. So the determination of what constitutes artistic value in a work of art is largely defined by the audience and their reaction to the work in a given time and place. That's my thesis statement. Why is the question important? Identify the main issues that are raised by the question. So here, these are my topic sentences. The artistic merit inherent with the works of art that are shocking and provocative is often overlooked by an audience who lack the knowledge and understanding to appreciate the artist's skill and intent. So here we have our first topic sentence. And when you write that paragraph, your meaning will be the same, but you're going to change some of those words so that you're saying the same thing but in a different way. Alternatively, audiences might find the issues and events conveyed in an artwork and the means by which it is communicated far too confronting to even consider the artistic significance of the work itself. So here, another key factor in the response of the audience is being confronted by issues and events that they really don't want to look at or consider. So rather than delve into whether or not a work of art has value as a work of art, they're going to ditch the work rather than have to be reminded of those things that they find too confronting. And then finally, in response, audiences have instilled various forms of censorship to quell and calm angry viewers. So our third main idea will be about censorship. Let the reader know what you're going to cover in your essay in order to answer the question. This essay will explore the audience's perception of artistic value. in a range of disruptive and challenging artworks, and the regulation of such works through different forms of censorship. So where it says a range, I think you need to refer to 3 or more artists and their work. So for each of those topic sentences, you would choose 1 or 2 artworks that are going to support your topic sentence, which is going to support your thesis statement. Thank you.